Are you watching your precious strands swirl down the drain every shower? Or perhaps you're finding more hair on your brush than on your head? Don't panic. Today, we're diving into the secrets of stopping hair fall in just one day and boosting hair growth faster than you've imagined. Quick question. Have you ever thought why celebrities always seem to have perfectly lush hair? Well, keep watching as we uncover some of the methods they use that you can start implementing right now. Secret number 1. Gelatin hair mask magic. Gelatin is packed with proteins, which are crucial for hair health. Here's what you do. Mix 1 tablespoon of gelatin with a cup of warm water. Add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and a few drops of lavender oil for fragrance. Apply this mask to your hair and let it sit for 10 minutes. You'll be amazed at how this can reduce hair fall by strengthening your hair follicles almost instantly. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Can something so simple really work that fast? And to that, I say absolutely. The beauty of natural remedies is that they're often effective and come with no side effects. Secret number 2. Flip your hair upside down. That's right, we're talking about the inversion method. By simply flipping your head over for a few minutes each day, you encourage blood flow to your scalp, promoting faster hair growth. Why not give it a try while you're watching this video? Just lean over and let your head hang loosely, transitioning into the realm of diet, because you know what they say. You are what you eat. Point number 3. Boost your diet with hair-friendly foods. Incorporate foods high in vitamins A, C, and E, minerals like zinc and iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Think spinach, avocados, nuts, and seeds. These nutrients are like your hair's best friends. They keep it healthy, shiny, and growing. Point number 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for flushing out toxins and supporting healthy hair growth. Imagine your hair roots drinking in the hydration they need to grow strong and resist breaking. Exciting, isn't it? Humor me for a second here. Imagine your hair could speak. What would it be thirsty for? Obviously, good old H2O. Make sure you're meeting your daily water quota. Now, let me add a sprinkle of surprise here. Mystery tip: scalp massage. Not just any massage, but one with peppermint oil. This oil is known for its ability to stimulate hair growth because it increases circulation to the area. Just a few minutes a day of massaging your scalp can kickstart your follicles into high gear. Before we wrap up, it's crucial to address hair care practices. Avoid harsh treatments such as heat styling, chemical dyes, and hairstyles that pull on your hair. Treat your hair gently. Think of it as a delicate silk fabric. How would you handle it? And remember, the journey to thicker, healthier hair isn't a sprint. It's more like a marathon. These tips will get you on the right track, but being consistent with them is key to long-term success. Now, don't click away yet. Do you want to discover fun ways to keep your whole family active? Then you absolutely need to check our next video, 10 fun daily exercise for kids to do at home. Just click on the end screen you see right now. And before you go, here's a unique challenge for you. Subscribe and hit that bell icon, then drop a comment below. Each day will give you a mystery challenge that will bring you one step closer to a healthier, wealthier, and more vibrant life. Can you handle a new challenge every day? Let's start this journey together.